Hi, this is Mr. Giansante. In this Alice lesson, I'll be showing you how to do a simple card track game. Card track games usually involve the player at the bottom of the screen moving left to right, and then enemy cars or trucks come down from the top of the screen, and the idea is to avoid the cars. The player has the illusion of moving forward, but really he's only moving left or right. In this simple example, I'm going to set up a track system with 5 tracks. The player will start off in track 3. They will not be able to move left after they've hit track 1, and they won't be able to move right after they hit track 5. So they'll be limited only to these 5 tracks. Let's go to Alice and take a look at the code. So I've already added the car object. The first thing I'll need to do is create a variable that will keep track of what track they're in. So I'm going to call this track. It'll be a number variable. The numbers it will have are either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. It's going to start off in the middle lane, which is lane 3. I've already created 2 methods, go left and go right. And now I'm going to attach some keys using events. So when a key is typed, first one I want to do is when the left key is typed, I want to do my car method go left, and when the right key is typed, I want to do my car method go right. In go left, I'm simply going to move the car left 2 meters, and in go right, I'm going to move the car right 2 meters. This is basically all the code you need to move the car. However, since the car is restricted to those 5 lanes, I need to use my variable track to not let it move left if it's in the first lane, and to not move it right if it's in the 5th lane. Let's go to car left. I'll need an if statement here. If track is not equal to 1, in other words, if it's in any lane except for the leftmost one, I'll move the car left. I also then need to change the variable by decrementing it by 1. So if I was in lane 4, I'm now in lane 3. If I was in lane 2, I'm now in lane 1. Let's go to go right. I need to do the same type of code here. This time, if I'm not in lane 5, I'm going to move the car right, and I'm going to increment the variable by 1. In other words, if I was in lane 3, I'm now in lane 4. Let's press play. So I'm hitting the left key. I'm hitting the left key and it's not moving anymore. I'm hitting the right key. I'm in lane 5 and I can't go right anymore. So there's the code for the player for a simple card track game.